To continue to test the level of preparedness of fire officers during emergency in the Greater Accra region, the third batch of firefighters have had their turn on the ongoing sand model simulation exercise. The firefighters were drawn from 4 different fire stations within the command.
The team were drawn from the Jubilee House, Parliament, Castle and Conference Centre fire stations. Known as the Delta Divisional Control, they were to assume that in a coastal country, the Parliament House is a 15-story building, whilst the senators were in their offices preparing for the evening section to discuss and elect the Speaker of the House. Smoke was seen emanating from the 13th floor, followed by an explosion. The occupants of the building were caught up on the floor as one of the exits had been blocked by the explosion. The explosion was accompanied by fire, which brought pressure on the other exits, causing a stampede with a lot of injuries. 3 armed men suddenly emerged from the car park, dropped a black bag and started to fire at the block where the stampede had occurred. Police personnel on duty at the Parliament House engaged the gunmen, shot and killed one instantly. The Delta Divisional Control with the sand module was to assumed to be the incident ground, perform the roles as Fire Service Incident Commander, which agencies they are expected to work, and indicate the role of the various agencies they would request for assistance, play the role of Fire Master Control, who will handle all deployment, as well as how they would organize the incident, as well as the men on the ground. The head of the Castle Fire Station, who performed the duty as the Incident Commander, called for more of such exercise.
We hope that in future we're going to do our best. However, we are taking it back into our station and then we handle it by watch level, gradual process, so that in the next future we will sit up and then we do very well.
The Deputy Director of Operations, DO1 Joseph Forson, said the flaws will be corrected.
We staged a scenario concerning terrorist attack, and they were asked to handle it. And in fact, they did well. They were able to, go through the SOPs. However, there are certain gaps that we identified and we need to, rectify so that next time when we call upon them, they can do exactly what is expected of them.
2 more groups are expected to partake in the exercise.